You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
The most expensive packing mistake usually starts as the smallest shortcuts. Welcome to another episode. Today we're covering the packing mistakes that can cost people the most during an international move. The first is using the wrong materials. A box that works for local storage or a nearby move may not hold up through international transit. Overseas shipping requires stronger materials, better protection, and packing methods designed for longer, more complicated handling. The second mistake is poor labeling and vague inventories. An international move, an inventory is not just about organization. It helps with customs, tracking, and shipment clarity. General labels like miscellaneous items or household goods can create unnecessary questions and delays. A clear, itemized description makes the process smoother. The third mistake is overpacking. People often assume that filling every carton completely saves space or money. In reality, overpacked cartons can increase the risk of breakage and make handling less secure. The fourth mistake is underestimating fragile or high-value items. If something needs custom protection, it should be identified before packing day. Waiting until the last minute can affect both packing quality and move planning. And another costly mistake is shipping too much. One of the best ways to manage risk and control cost is to be selective. Decluttering before an international move is not just about saving space. It also reduces complexity and can make the entire shipment easier to manage. The best way to avoid these mistakes is simple. Treat packing like part of the move strategy, not the final task before setup. Shortcuts in packing can create long-term problems in an overseas move. If you want to avoid costly mistakes before moving abroad, call 877-339-0267 or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.